According to Decrypt, several cryptocurrency companies, including Binance, Tether, Bitfinex, and Qcoin, have pledged more than $9 million in donations to help victims of the massive earthquakes that struck Turkey and Syria on Monday morning. As the death toll continues to rise, over 7,000 dead and more than 20,000 injured, the collective effort shows that the cryptocurrency is once again ready to step forward to support humanitarian efforts. Joining the fundraising efforts, Avalanche Foundation donated $1 million in AVAX tokens. What do you think of the situation in Turkey? Would you donate to the cause? I'll read you in the comments, and remember to subscribe to the channel.